In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails on HubSpot in 2025. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you're comfortable with the process and ready to engage with your audience effectively. Let's dive in and start by getting ourselves onto the right path. First things first, head over to your HubSpot account and navigate to the trial guide. This initial step is crucial as it will set the foundation for everything we're about to do. Don't worry, it's all quite straightforward with HubSpot having designed its interface to be user-friendly and intuitive. Once you reach the trial guide, locate and click on the Email section. This area is essentially your command center for all emailing activities. Here, you'll have access to tools that will allow you to communicate efficiently with your contacts. Next, you'll see an option to Create Email. Click on that button. This action is your gateway into crafting messages that will resonate with your audience. You'll be prompted to customize your emails, which is where the real fun begins. After you click on Create Email, a new screen will emerge with different options. Select Regular. Selecting Regular means you're opting for a standard send, usually best for typical announcements and newsletters. By choosing this option, you'll keep things consistent and understandable for your recipients. Now that you've selected Regular, it's time to choose a template by clicking on the Choose Template option. HubSpot offers a variety of pre-made templates to cater to different campaign goals, whether it's promoting an event, announcing a new product, or sending out a monthly newsletter. Picking the right template aligns your email with your campaign goals, so take a moment to select one that fits your purpose. Once you've selected your template, the next step is to configure your recipient list. You need to click on Send To. This is where you'll decide who will be receiving this bulk email. Make sure your contact list is updated and segmented properly. Segmenting your audience ensures that the right people receive the right message, maximizing your campaign's effectiveness. And that's it. You've now completed the process of setting up a bulk email through HubSpot. Always remember to review your email, checking for any errors or necessary tweaks before hitting send. We'd all like to avoid those pesky typos reaching our audience, wouldn't we? By following these steps, you'll be able to communicate at scale with ease. Whether you're handling marketing campaigns, customer notifications, or newsletters, HubSpot provides a potent, easy-to-use platform for all your emailing needs. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.